More and more candidates are reporting that they are being asked artificial intelligence related questions in their interviews, even if the job role is not AI related in some cases and not even IT related, but still they are being asked AI related questions. Questions related to artificial intelligence may crop up during your job interview, so be ready. It is very important to have a detailed understanding if you're applying to a field like healthcare, technology, and financial services, where AI is being considered to be used in very near future or maybe already being used. Keeping tabs on relevant trends and possible gaps and highlighting these with strategic insights during the interview will stand you out from the crowd. Sharing suggestions and how AI can align in the given business can set you up for success. Familiarizing with the works of AI and how it's being used in the given industry will set you apart from other candidates. Framing answers around how it can revolutionize the workflow in your current stream and showcasing openness towards the adoption of AI can certainly help. AI, as we all know, is changing the way businesses operate and is truly transforming the end user perspective. Though adapting a data driven or an AI driven approach is not straightforward, one needs to have answers to important questions before embracing AI based solutions and systems. Recently, Gartner has published three broad and common questions about AI, which will possibly help understand the usage and implementation and might help you to answer these questions on a high level during your next job interview. The first area is how can you capture the AI opportunity? The answer solutions and use cases identified where AI and automation for generating insights can be identified. Secondly, what can AI do for an organization? Answer multiple facets of AI digital transformation, less intervention of humans, savings in terms of resources, better and improved outcomes, and much, much more. Third, how is generative AI different from other forms of AI? Answer one of the AI techniques that help in creating content in the form of textual data, images, videos, and audio. The best part is the creation of content based on raw and natural language input. So, answering above three questions from Gartner in more detail will really enable better clarity and understanding of how things should be taken forward, and you can explain them well during your interview. Now, these tips are for the people who are not that technical or they don't belong to IT. Well, these certainly help everyone, but these thoughts are especially for the people who don't have any IT background. But if you have an IT background, such as in cloud, software developer, or any other, then you should be ready for more technical questions. Like, for example, you might be asked, what is the difference between AI and generative AI? What is machine learning? What LLM stands for, and what exactly that means? What are top five LLMs in Hugging Face? What is Hugging Face? Or have you used Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab? Why they are so popular among AI professionals? Or you could be asked what is inference, what is LoRa, QLoRa, what is GGUF, what is transformer architecture, what is the difference between PyTorch and TensorFlow, what are hyperparameters, weights, biases, what is ethical AI, what is multimodal LLM, what is the most popular tool in order to convert text to image, what is stable diffusion, how much context length is for GPT-4, and then you can imagine this list could go on, and that will test your technical depth in AI. And then, as I mentioned earlier, you could be asked any non-technical AI questions like, are you scared of AI or excited? Have you ever used any LLM for any task of your personal use or any company use? And then maybe an other technical stuff, hands-on stuff like, have you installed and ran any LLM or model locally? If yes, which one and how did you do it? And the list goes on. As I mentioned, the key here is the more prepared you are, the better your chances will be in your next job interview. And this is not something in future, this is happening right now. So be ready for your job interview, and everyone must learn AI. There is no other choice. Thank you.